begin. So we're going to press Effect, Color Correction, and Change to Color. Now this is a very good effect because it's very similar to Change Color. If you're interested in seeing the Change Color video, that'll be in the link below. It's a video we made about 2 weeks ago. Now in Change Color, it changes a selected color in an image, but then throughout the entire image. What Change to Color does is it selects a color in the shot. So for instance, we're going to choose the color of this cat's eyes, and then we're going to change it to any color that we select in our shot. Now I want to make the color of this cat's eyes bright pink. You can turn the saturation up a little bit to select more of the eye, and you can also turn the hue up to select more of the hue of the cat's eye. And now if you look at our shot, this cat, which previously just had green eyes, now has purple throughout his eyes. This is a very good effect because, similar to Photoshop, you can change the color of things with ease, except unlike Photoshop, you can actually handle multiple frames and entire videos. This is a great effect for visual effects artists, and if you are interested in seeing how to change more colors, feel free to look at our other videos. But like always, press Effect, Color Correction, and Change to Color, and try this for yourself.